Dear viewers, in this episode of this gift wrapping course, we will see how to make this beautiful gift box. Let's now take a look at the materials needed. You will need a gift box, a long thin strip of the gift paper, fresh or paper flowers and a decorative piece. I am using a chain made of beads for this. Let's get started now. Take the strip of the gift paper and wrap it around the gift box and seal the ends using glue or transparent tape. Now I am going to paste this beautiful rose to the box. I tried pasting it towards one edge. You can of course experiment with it. By the way, check out the description box for the link on how to make this flower in just a few seconds. Now let's place this piece made of beads on the gift box. I'm going to add some rose buds to make it look like a mini rose bunch. If you want to learn how to make this rose bud, you can check the link in the description box. And for the final step, I used another strip of the same gift paper to wrap around the box. While doing so, I sealed the ends of the stems of the roses. The gift box is now finally ready. I hope you all loved this episode. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Stay tuned to What's Your Hobby.